how to use the anime filter on TikTok. So if you click the plus button and you go to the effects, you will see the multiple effects. If you found the anime filter, go ahead and use it. If it's not, don't worry, feature is still new, so some of the region or area doesn't have this feature. So what we're gonna do is, if you didn't know what the anime filter looks like, you're gonna just click the search button right here and you're gonna search for AI anime filter. You're gonna see the feature at a nutshell. You're gonna see the outcome just like this. So if you didn't have the feature yet, don't worry, it's still new. So it's really in some areas rather than others. But if you are in an area that have this feature but you didn't get to it, please make sure that you've updated the TikTok, which we're gonna go to App Store and we're gonna just check for TikTok. All right, and you're gonna check if the app needs to be updated. If needed to be updated, make sure that you update it to the last version so you can get all the features and have the free access to it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.